Hello everybody, I'm Fatima. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to the short video on analysis of superstore data. All our team members are waiting to give you an interesting analysis of superstore sales and profit. For this analysis, we used a popular business intelligence tool called Tableau, which helps visually analyzing the data. Main objective of this analysis was to identify sales and the profit behavior of the superstore. This analysis includes several visualizations. Using those visualizations, we have created a story and a dashboard. This will be discussed in the latter part of the video. Also, we will be discussing methodology, what we used, profit trends, overall trends. So let's move on to the video.
So, during this report, we used a specific methodology. First, we used two types of data that were categorical data and continuous data. In order for our analysis to work, we used some categorical data such as city, states, segments, and others. And continuous data because we had our numerical values for 4 years of the sales and profit for the Superstore. This analysis was done using Tableau, as my teammate already said, and we also had to use some calculated fields so that we were able to present the graphs in Tableau. And we also use some performance measurement, such as year over year and year to date measurements for any financial performance of the company. Finally, we identified it in each visualization trends, some points of inflections, minutes, peaks and valleys, and profit and sales relationship between every visualization. So next, my 10 minutes is going to be talking about a little bit more about the dashboard that we created.
Yeah, thanks. So dashboard is a collection of different visualization putting together, and through this dashboard you can see, you can get the whole story, like what is happening where, and what are the things which is missing, or what are the things which are improving. So in this Salesforce dashboard, we have created year-to-date sales analysis, and you could see that the dashboard we have presented state-wise profit, sales KPI, profit KPI, market share by region, and then category-wise year-to-date comparison versus previous year's sales, and region-wise customer acquisition like for every month. So in this, we could clearly see that the sales uh, versus previous year is continuously increasing, and it's always in a uptrend. Whereas profit, we have seen that the profit is decreasing. This might be due to various reasons. Maybe the company or the product is giving more discount on that particular product. Along with that, if you see that market share, West has a most market share, like 34.11%, followed by East, and then Central and South. So there may be like one can comprehend the complete story through looking at this dashboard. Similarly, if you compare category-wise year-to-date sales versus previous year, we could see that the phones are the top, are the number one in the sales. They are like increasing every year by 33.41%. So yeah, these are the different dashboards. Now I will hand it over to my colleague.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Tableau storyline. So you can see in the presentation there are 4 stories, which tells us tells the managers like where they're earning the profit and where they're losing the profit. So, for example, in the second figure, you can see that three main cities where they're earning the most profit from. And in the figure two, they can see in figure two it's in the country ways. Like you can see they're earning profit in New York and losing profit in Texas. This helps the managers to know uh, like where they're losing the money and how to improve and help them to make a better decision to improve their profit. So in the figure four, you can see that which how their sales are going and where they're earning most of profit from. Like for example, you can see they are earning a lot of profit in electronics and losing in furniture items. And in the figure one, it's mostly about how much they're doing the sales and how much profit they're earning and how much discount they're giving in that story. So my colleague will do the next slide.
So hi everyone, I'm going to explain about the profit trends. Basically, the profit trends is all about the evaluation of profits within the business. We usually do it by following the two trends. One is the upward and second one is the downwards. So as in the previous slides, one of my colleague has already explained that it is following the upward trend where the profit is increasing over the time in short run or in a long term. So we have seen that the sales are in the state wise, the sales are maximum in the city of New York, while if we consider according to the state, so it is highest in the California, while Texas has the lowest profit. And if we talk about the profit insights in our presentation, it has been noticed that there has been less negative profits in the latest years due to the changes in the trends, as already explained. And only few products, depending upon the city, has been warned about the profits. And the similarly, the profits and the sales have the direct relation depending upon what sort of discounts or what sort of coupons have been distributed in the store in the super. So I further hand over to Kirit.
Thank you, Navleen. To sum up, we have discussed now about Tableau has become a vital tool for businesses in gaining valuable insights from data sets. The this software has like customizable charts and graph, which make it easier to understand and analyze data, while its ability to integrate with various data sources and which enables business to make informed and accurate decisions based on current data. And additionally, Tableau's user-friendly interface and advanced capabilities have made it accessible to non-technical and the guys who don't use programming and all. So it's very convenient for them to use it. And overall, Tableau has helped businesses to grow their sales unexpectedly, and it will be undoubtedly remain a critical component of their data analysis toolkit as they continue to rely on data to drive growth. So, so Tableau has made Tableau make it like easier in for gaining valuable insights from complex data sets and make informed decisions based on current data.
So thanks to Tableau, we analyzed the superstore data and we found three trends. The first one is that sales are growing each year, meaning that we're having less negative yields, and some products are also growing at a slow pace, such as tables. The second one is that profit is increasing in slow pace, meaning that the trend is not upward, but instead it's maintaining itself or decreasing sometimes. The third one is that the superstores company have a well-established market in the West region, which is also shown because the biggest profit and sales cities are New York and Los Angeles. Thank you for listening to this analysis of Superstore dataset and also W.